in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use a PS5 controller on your Nintendo Switch too. So in order to do this, you will need an adapter such as this one. So the first thing that we need to do is gonna be to turn on our Switch because it decided to turn off. Okay, so once you turn on your Switch, then here you need to have it plugged in, and you will see the USB. I hope you can see it. Yes, you can. So you will need to plug this into the USB slot here, and once you plug it in, you will need to press the button here so it begins blinking rapidly. Okay, I hope you can see that. So now it's in pairing mode. Now what you have to do is gonna be to take your Nintendo Switch controller here. I'm just gonna turn them on, and then we have to go and select system settings. Now controllers and accessories, you will need to turn on this function here, Pro Controller Wired Communication. Once you turn it on, then you can go into change controller grip order, and you will need to get your PS5 controller and press the record button and the PlayStation button for a few seconds. Okay, so now it's going to be in pairing mode. It should detect it, and just like that I can use the PS5 controller here to play my Nintendo Switch too. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.